It is so confusing. Because I was talking about you. When everybody's seeing you and alright, so that one's finished there. So I'm recording this. Do that again, Dad. Ask me who's on the phone again. Come on. No. Well, you made the funniest face.
Hey, did this channel go off? We did. Oh, we did. You're right. The cell phone only went off. Okay, you're right. So we need, so the, so the, so the house phone needs to go off. Okay. All right. let me go through the house phone going off. Okay. All right, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we thank you we thank you for listening to the Mark telephone service. We we now have to sign off, and we will no longer be on the phone until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. We thank you for listening and participating in the Martin telephone channel. We really appreciate all the love, and we cherish all the great times that we have been together. But we are going to sign off now, and we will leave you with this number by Ray Charles. Dum dum. How beautiful are the spacious skies. A liberate strike. Whosoever and country love. And the morning night. America, sweet America, make God the gold refine. He, oh, the he, oh, the red, and every day and night. When I was a kid, we used to sing like this. We used to sing like this. Oh, beautiful, far faces sky. Amber waves of grain. Listen. Who's got purple mountains, majesty above the fruited plain? I'm talking about America,
sing it, bro.
sweet America. See, my God, He done shed His grace on thee. Cry thy good. Every brotherhood from sea to shining sea.
Damn, dear. You're fucked. Oh, damn. Oh, don't worry, Dan. We can talk on everything. Love ya.